How to change the password of your email account. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Go to the email section and click on the email accounts icon. In the Account at Domain section, email accounts are listed. Now click on the Manage button on that particular row of email account whose password you want to change. Under the Security section, either you can enter a new password manually or generate a password automatically. You can click on the More icon to select Password Complexity Settings. cPanel generates a new password using that setting. To generate a password, click on the Generate button. Now copy and save the generated password in a safe place. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Update Email Settings button. That's it, we have successfully changed the password of the email account. Thank you for watching.